Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on when you're watching this. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020, and this is Middle School ESOL. Let's get started. All right. Yesterday was Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020, and tomorrow will be Saturday, May 23rd, 2020. The weather in Baltimore, today the high temperature will be 73 degrees and the low temperature will be 63 degrees, and today it will rain. An education update, just to remind everyone. Schools will remain closed for the remainder of the 2019-2020 academic year. Online and distance learning will continue. So today we are going to today we are going to listen. Today we are going to speak. We are going to read. We are going to write. We are going to organize words. We are going to text or email a photo of our work to Miss Palomino, or we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. Es lo que prefieren ustedes. So our objective today is I can identify things in a kitchen and things in a bedroom using pictures. I can identify things in a kitchen and things in a bedroom using pictures. So your paper should look something like this. El papel debe parecer algo así. So the date, Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Things in a kitchen, cosas que se pueden encontrar en una cocina. And things in a bedroom, cosas que se pueden encontrar en un bedroom. So 11 things you can find in a kitchen and 11 things you can find in a bedroom. All right, so let's get started. Curtains, curtains, curtains. Knife, knife, knife. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Cup, cup, cup. Crib, crib, crib. Stove, stove, stove. Clothes, clothes, clothes. Refrigerator, refrigerator, refrigerator. Bed, bed, bed. Pillow, pillow, pillow. Fork, fork, fork. Blanket, blanket, blanket. Mattress, mattress, mattress. Napkin, napkin, napkin. Lamp, lamp, lamp. Light switch, light switch, light switch. Dresser, dresser, dresser. Plate, plate, plate. Sink, sink, sink. Ah, eso es todo. All right, so you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. Today we learned 20 words: curtain, knife, spoon, bowl, mirror, cup, crib, stove, clothes, refrigerator, bed, pillow, fork, blanket, mattress, napkin, lamp, light switch, dresser, plate, sink. Eso es más que 20. We learned 21 words today. We learned 21 words today. So with these words, tell me cuáles se pueden encontrar en un kitchen y cuáles que se pueden encontrar en un bedroom. So 11 things you can find in the kitchen and 11 things you can find in a bedroom. So you can turn in your work on Google Classroom, or you can take a photo of your work and send the photo to Miss Palomino through email or through WhatsApp. Es lo que prefieren. All right, and if you have questions or want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye.